Hey, how's everybody doing? It's me, Rodman. Alright, we're gonna go over a layout on TC2000. The market's closed, and I got my two scans set up for the stocks that were at the new high today. All the stocks that were trading high, I got those. And the other ones are the new stocks that were trading low. All the stocks that were trading, but they were low shares. I'm in two separates right there. I got my news, and then over here I got my news and my notes and another feature. So, give you an example. I like using buzz volume. Okay, I like using buzz volume. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up. No, we're gonna close out. We're gonna open up, log out. Now I'm gonna just go here, and I am going to set up. Just get you guys ready. This is the TC2000 cloud. So this is the news. So basically, I'll set up the news, and I will go to Google Financer for now, and I'll come back over here and I'll get the map. Alright, so now with the heat map, right off the bat, I'm going to go to buzz volume. Before I have to go to another website, but I can go down here now, and I'm going to see what stocks were at the all. I can see energy was there. That's good. So instead of me going to FinViz, I go here. So as you can see, I got all this stuff here. And now the other thing I got is the financial news, which is here. Alright, so if I wanted to see what sector had the most volume, the energy sector. So now I can come over here and say, okay, oh wow, what did good in the energy sector? I can say, oh wow, what's this? I might come over here, click on into any one of these things, and I'll get it right here. $10.40 the stock. That's good. I'm assuming that's interesting. So now I'll come back to my TC2000. Let me click down. So okay, so I'm a little bit. All right, well let me see what. All right, so I got the daily. I want to see what sector. So I automatically know. Wow, got a lot of stocks. Now, this is a scan. I set it for the criteria. Now, of course, here I set it for the volume that I want, which is the price. So this is it. This is a formula. I'll show you guys that later. I'm not going to get into the formula right now. So in other words, okay, I see the stock. It's right here. I'm looking at it. We're looking at the 1 minute chart. Right, we're looking at the hourly chart. So we're looking at the hourly chart. So it looks like a lot. And we're looking at this chart. Well, all right. I'm looking at the this one. Looking okay. I think this is a brand new one. But did trade a lot of volume over the weekend. Came out of the gate at 60 cents. Now it's at 6 cents. We do this one now. This one right here looks pretty interesting. We can look at the marking of it. We'll check out this one. Alright, this one's got some better candles in it. Alright. So now I want to come over here And wow, all right. So let me see. Now I'm going to go up to my scans. All right, now hold on here. I'm going to log out. All right, here we go. New high. And I want to see what sector they were in. All right, so here's the stocks for the new high. Most of them were in the sector industry. So this is a good layout because now I can look at my watch list and say, okay, so that's the one I'm interested in. So I'll go over here to my news. Yahoo Financing. I kind of like this because I know what sector it's in. So that was that. Percentage was this one. So I'm already going to know that out of all my stocks in that sector, that was the strongest. That's the biggest one. That's good to know. So now I'll go back down to my chart. But now what? See, now I got there's nothing on that company. But when I go to say I want to go to this one, watch what happens when I do that. Now watch when I go to my thing. And there it is. See, it indicates it right on the map. So I can look at this now. See what it's about. That's why I like this chart. Now I don't have any news on it. So I'm looking at what's okay. Well, I'm looking at pretty good. Like what I see. Alright. Break up. Got the rest of it. So what kind of company is it? It's piqued my interest. So I'm going to come back over here. Go to the news. Alright, a little description about the company. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to copy and paste it so I can put in my notes.
Description: Inseego Corp., formerly Novatel Wireless, Inc., is a provider of software as a service, SaaS, and solutions for the Internet of Things, IoT. The company offers a range of products, including mobile hotspot.
Alright, so good thing to note. So now I want to make a note. So I'm going to paste the note here. What I like to do is I just like to put the date in so I know what date I did it. So I'm just going to put the March or the 6th month / 30 / and I want to put this little description in here. Alright. Save chart, yes. So I'm going to put this in here. Oh no. And I gotta add my chart. Oh, show chart. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's what we gotta do there. Alright, so that's how you do that. I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna get rid of these bar lines here. And anyways, yeah, don't mind me there, just doing a few little things. Alright, so there we go. I can look at the stock I'm looking at. Kind of interested in it, because it's gonna show me something. And the thing cool about it is I mean I could go here to read about the news and stuff like that. All that stuff. I get all this information here at market cap, but now I can go over to my program and I'm gonna go over here now to fundamentals. I'm gonna show you how to make this chart. So basically you guys are gonna come over here. You're gonna click on this. You're gonna put your two columns here. You're gonna put this right about there. You're gonna put two columns here. You're gonna put your new low stocks today, new low today, new high today. Then you're gonna put your news here. News up here, notes here, and then another column for your reports. And I'm going to show you that in my other one. I just want to show you that. So now, alright, I'm interested in this company here. It's on my thing. Now I want to come over here. I got the charts here. I want to come over here now. And I'm going to open this up. So now this tells me the market cap is 55 million, which is right over here. Market cap 54 million. 54 million. 55. So Google ain't up to date. Usually with Google, I notice it's usually by midnight. I'll go in and check, and it will be what I see right on my TC2000. But ours is live streaming. So at the end of the day, I have it set up so at the end of the day, right at 4:20, it automatically goes in and gets refreshed. But anyway, so that's what I like about this layout right here. Now I'm researching how I research stocks. I'm seeing if any of the new ones I'd be interested in. I can get more. So I can read the news on it right here. Make it bigger. And so I can just scroll it down. Alright, so I can go in here. So say if I'm interested in this stock. Go here, get my drawing tools I'm interested in. So what I probably do is maybe I want to draw a trend line right here. I'm going to draw another trend line here. kind of weird because if you look at it, right there, the bottom up, definitely bouncing. And this looks pretty good because it's got a lot of support up in here, right here. If you can see it, right here. Alright, so here's this dock. I know I don't got nothing in my notes about it. So if I go over here, I'm going to have something. Yep, so I'm going to go over here, see what I got in the summary. That was my text-to speech program. So I'm going to make a note here. And I usually like to put the date, 6/30/2017 / the time, 8:31 p.m. Come down. Now I got the news. The news with all my charts. So that's what I'm saying. It's got a pretty strong trend line. You see it's breaking down, coming up. I mean, this could definitely, this could be a pop right here. Definitely could be a pop right here. For sure. For sure. Oh yeah, definitely gonna be a pop right here. Oh, for sure. That candle right there, we're gonna keep an eye on it because that candle definitely, I mean, just it actually hit resistance, but the way it's up here, coming down with this shortening down, I don't know. It could. It's just curious to see what that's gonna do later on today, and then looking at the financial news over here. See, we can add different things. We can make the size of the letters a little bigger. See what I'm saying? So you can make them a lot bigger. So when you go down, you can. I just like the size to pop a little bit. Yeah, you can have the size pop a little bit. So like if you want it a little big, you can have certain things pop like that. I don't know. Oh, we gotta find the symbol. Yeah, I'll get you the symbol. And if you look at it, I'm going to bring it up here. It's way down the bottom, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You're just going to keep on hitting these arrow things, and it's going to come right up. Watch, you're going to keep on whacking, and it's going to come right up. It's going to keep on clicking on it, and there it is. It's going to come right up the wagon. Right up the wagon. No. And it's going to come right up. Right up the wagon. That's alright, boom, and it's done right there. And you see how good you got everything set. You're right here, you can scroll down and you can go back to your news. So this is what I'm doing when I'm looking at what stocks were high for the volume today. You know what I'm saying? And the ones that had the most sectors in them was right here. This sector right here had the most sectors in them. So now I can go back to that one. Then I can see what kind of company this is. I'll just go in. I like to read more. Read more about the company. Full details. I'll just copy that. Come back over here now. I can just put it in my notes. Oh, hold on. I'll put it in my notes. Alright. Now we'll just put the time 8:37 p.m. And then I just come down, I add the information I got in my chart, and it's all set. And I got the scan too of the color of the chart. So that's what's good. I can look to see what's going on. So automatically I know in my sector that these are the 3 stocks that I have in my sector that we'll go over today. Alright, that's a formula. I'm going to show you guys that after. But anyways, yeah. So if we want to, I could put those in a watch list. But that's the one sector we're looking at. So this stock looks like it's pretty good. It's probably going to go for a little bit. Definitely following that trend line. But, I mean, it's testing, so it'll probably bounce. It's looked like it could hit. So I'm going to read up a little more on this one. Maybe you guys can read up on it a little more. Well, it could come down and break out. It depends on actually what you want to do with that particular stock. Alright, just wanted to show you that. So I put my other 2 stocks in here, right? I'm going to see what I'm going to do now. Now let's talk about these two right here. What sector? Oh, I'm gonna get them now. And these were the sectors that I'm gonna go over today. So what we're gonna do with these sectors? These were the sectors that had the most volume today. And I wanted to see what ones had the most volume. I'll do here. Just give me a minute. It's gonna. And I believe, wasn't it these ones? Yeah, so that was. So then here I'm just gonna put volume buzz. Alright, that's how we're gonna make this one. I'm gonna come over here, go into TC2000. Gonna make a watch list up, create this one, and this is just gonna be for volume buzz. I'm gonna come back over here and just put these ones in. And today we're gonna talk about these and where they're gonna go, and we'll look at them and see what we can do. Check them out. All right, they're right here. I'm gonna put them right here. All right, so the first one all right, so the first ones we got, let's look at them. All right, is this one DI something? $1.27. Oh wow, strong market cap. That's good. All right. News on them? Not yet. There's 3 other stocks that are in their sector. Okay, so let's look at. Definitely looks like could definitely go up. I mean, not bad at all. I mean, we're definitely looking at a nice wedge here. I mean, I'm probably thinking maybe right about here. I think it's gonna come up. More than likely, it might bounce a little bit, but probably gonna bounce right around here. Probably gonna hit here, and then right about here it's gonna get nailed. I think that's what I'm almost. Right in this area. Probably gonna bounce down. And it's gonna come in, break this, or it's gonna check the resistance. It's gonna hang around up here for a little bit. Looks like it could shoot up, but I mean, look at the volume this thing is actually. Came out with that big jag and then tested it again. Because actually almost got, yeah. Then we come down here, tested it, come back up. I already put a note in for this company. Okay. Already did. What's the next one? Wow, this one's a little choppy. Oh, wow. Whoa, look at this. This one come right down. come up. Well, what happened over here? But you know what? I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Oh wow, look at this. When was this? This was... Oh wow, look at that. Last year I went from $1.50 all the way up to $2.40. Let me see. Oh wow. Holy shit. Wow, that's a big curve coming down. Wow, it's starting to flag. RS line. Wow, that's pretty good. That's coming up here. As I'm thinking, that's definitely going to come up there. Come up. We're going to put a couple more indicators in here. I think we should have some. I'm going to do the first one first. This is one I like. Well, I like to actually... So I like to put down... I'll put a couple more indicators, but I pretty much... This is amazing how this thing just come up like a roller coaster. And that's pretty good from where it's... I mean, like, right here with that. But to be at $1... I mean, now it's up to... I mean, God, you had that in 2000. You had it right then, right here, whatever it was at. And even right here, it was at $1.65. $1.65, and she went from there all the way up to $5. I mean, and look at the little bit of volume there was. It was a little bit of volume. Yeah, that definitely looks like it's gonna go right up. That'll be interesting. Let me see. I gotta pull up one more indicator though. definitely looks like one I'm going to keep my eye on. Because, I mean, it broke, and that, top of that, it definitely cleared it definitely, as you can see right here, it definitely cleared the first candle. In fact, every single one has cleared the candle. So this definitely looks like it's going to go up. I mean, and it's starting to get volume there. I mean, because... And it's funny because it's been, ever since then, it's been like right from this point, you look at it and it's like, damn, flat everywhere. Going down, up, and then down and crossover. So this will probably hit $1.70. Probably gonna hit that target, I bet. No, that's quite a view. Well, I'm just gonna go that. Oh, probably could go that. I don't know. I could probably. I meant. Oh, there's no way. Well, I mean. What would it be if it was to go right here? What might be if it went down this further? No. I'm thinking this could be a resistant line. It could be a resistance right here. It's probably for some reason I think it's gonna use this for a resistance. Yeah, because the way I can tell by this gap and this candle here and these three, I think it's going to bounce off of this for resistance. Or be right around this area. Probably break it and then go back. That's definitely... And look at the thing right here, the straight ahead connection. This is, yeah, definitely... Oh, yeah. Definitely going to do that one. What is company news on this one? This one, oh, see, I get all the news on it. And that's why I put it, I copy it right in TC2000. So now, later on tonight, if I'm doing more research, I can just come back over here, put it right in the program. I just copy it, drop it down, and now I got all the notes in there. So it's all in there. It's good to go, and I'm happy. What about this one? I haven't even seen what the tradeometer is doing. Alright, let me get down. Oh, where's my account information? Alright, you know what? I'll get it another time. Alright. Let me see, what is this up to? Yeah, I mean, looking at this one. Yeah, you can see it's going, alright, yeah, that one looking pretty good, so, it's hard to say, you ain't got much volume though, that's the only thing that stinks. Ain't got much volume. which I like to open up in full screen. But actually now if I want to, I'll show you guys another a better layout I can make. See if he's interested in these. So what I'll do is I'll come over here. So that I can do this, right? And just go to watch list. And just, what is it? Buzz volume. Oh, type in BUVZ. And then I'll get buzz volume. And it's right here. Oh, that's good. And then over here, now don't forget, if I want to, right, make this easier for me, and I'm curious to see how I can either blow this out, make it bigger, or change the column. Alright, so I got this information. I have two options now. I'm going to come in, I want to get the chart. I'm going to put Pro in because I got a couple of them. We'll do 5. Now, that's good. Now I got a little bit of a chart, more of a long one. So I can really get in and like see what's going on with the chart, which is good. Now, if I want to, I can see, well, what kind of company is this? I can just go up to here, report. I don't even need that, and I can just click on this one. I can put my report right here. Just get rid of that. And now I can just scroll down to my report. And see what's what. And if I want to, I can kind of almost, like if I want to, I can kind of almost right here, look up my report. And then if I want to see if there's any news on it, I can come right here, look, get right here. Now if I want, I can put my notes there too. I can always go in, I'll put my notes right on this side. So I got news and my notes. I bounce back and forth. So here's all the news. I can see what kind of company it is. Alright, I can see what kind of company it is, what sector it's in. Alright, I can see the market cap, all this stuff right here, so this is good. And I can come down here, I got the long stock, so this is where I like to go in and really analyze it. And I can even put a couple of more columns in here. See, I can, and then get rid of a drawing, and I can move it up a little bit, yep, give me some room so I can tweak it. Then if I want to get in more, I can actually zoom into where I want to get. Really look at that and get this thing all set up. Nice. And do that. So as you guys can see, comes in, so it's a nice layout, got what's in there. And like I said, I can go through I can get my stocks that were high for the day, whatever, but this is a nice layout where I got everything I need. You know what I'm saying? And if vice versa, but at least with this, you can look everything up about the company, what the sales report was, look at it, and all that. So, give you an example. Let's see what. Another thing we want to add in this too. We don't have. Come on, I'm gonna add the symbol, the exchange. All we're gonna do is we're gonna keep on doing this, right? We're gonna keep on doing this, and it's gonna come right up the line here, and I'll put it right up top here. And all I'm doing is I'm adding this right to the line there. So it's gonna be coming up pretty soon, and it'll be the symbol, and I'll know what exchange it's under. the symbol in. So you do it right here, put the symbol here. So I know it's a NASDAQ stock. You got the symbol there. It's always nice to have the symbol because you always want it in multiple places. And then we can just hit save. And I usually do main, so I'm just going to do main, and then we're all set. Save it. So now I got it automatically. If I want to make another one, I just go up to reports, shrink that up, and it's going to be right, it's going to be probably saved right here. Where is it? I just put it in there. Where did I put it? I think it was like main, right? Is it? Oh, no. Oh, all right. Oh. Then you can come in and create a new report. And I'll show you how to do that, but at least you got everything we need right here. Like I said, we can come down, everything's right in front of us. Nice. We got everything we need, ratio, report, which is good. And then of course, like I said, we got the news. We can come over here and get the news. Oh, that's my trade on. Let me get that puppy working. Hold on. We'll get that tradeometer working. Oh, you know what? Never mind. But all right. Oh, in fact, I did get the news for that, didn't I? Where is the news? Oh yeah, it's right there. We got it right there, and it's got the little chart. It's got the chart with the information on it. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be one I'm checking out. So what I'll do is I'm gonna I put it in my notes. So let's check out. Let's check out this one. Just put this in the description, and then I'll have it. I'll just have it right in here. Notes. Go down, put it right in here, so I have it. And this one looks like it could. Wow, this definitely could pop for sure. If you look at, you got a nice channel wedge in here. Oh yeah, that's definitely. See what that looks like? It could definitely. It's definitely gonna be a wedge down. Yeah, depend. It looks like it's gonna go in the channel wedge. So let's see, you got that here. So basically, when we look at this, we see all the indicators we want right there. So we'll see the news on that one. It doesn't look bad. What's this one? This one's flatline. Let me see. Oh, wow. Damn, what's the resistance? Wow. Well, I know this is hit here. But resistance right here. Oh, never mind. Oh. This one right here, yeah. This definitely looks like possibility that it could bounce up, hit down. But see, a stock like this, you know, very lot of candles indicating that definitely gonna start pulling it down. That's the first one we got that's actually up. First candle we got that the wick is pointing down, because all the other ones are pointing up. So this could be a reversal or a bust. It's kind of interesting. What does this company do? Curious, yeah. Just might keep my eye on this for sure. Yeah. Definitely gonna test this out for resistance. Way I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's definitely gonna. I think it's gonna get stuck in this wedge here. It's gonna bounce around this wedge. Actually, if you think about it, bounce around in this wedge, but. Probably gonna test, probably gonna break the line here. It's gonna break it and see how far it's gonna go down for resistance. But this definitely looks like not bad. Volume ain't that bad. Wow, that's a strong market cap. Yeah, sales, holy shit. Wow. Impressed. Let's see this one. Any note? Oh. Wow. That's crazy. I could definitely spike up. What do they got for news on this? Hit follow. Oh, some of that's gonna fall right in here. I gotta read up on this particular one. Yeah, I don't know. This one looks like it's gonna probably. Thinking right about in this area, yeah. That's gonna be the sweet spot. Should be. Make a mental note. Export chart. Export data. What is the stock symbol? Not sure what it is. I'll just put that. Alrighty. Where? Possibly go up. Possibility. Probably hit. Go. I could probably hit the target range. Yeah, that could definitely hit it. I'm thinking right there. Yeah, it's definitely it's gonna get up there somewhere, or in between floor and there. But anyways, yeah. Wow, that's definitely looking good. As you guys can see, we got a lot of breaks here. But what you guys gotta understand here is this stretch from here up. That's a long ass break. I mean, well, that's a that type of ramp up, and it really, pretty much, like literally, dude, literally held resistance. It goes for a long time. I don't know. Long time. In fact, I'm gonna buy this. Buy it. Put a market order in. How many shares? Oh. So, bought some of that just to see what's gonna happen. But yeah, I definitely think she's gonna bounce somewhere around here. Cause like everything else, I mean, this stock has gone a long time straight. Look at how straight it's gone, like up and down. That's pretty long. And then every time it makes an up move, it goes down, but it goes straight. And every time it makes an up move, it stays up there pretty good. And this is a good indication that possibility probably, I would not be surprised if we get a 387 probably. I don't know. Damn, we could hit $4 easily. If I'm looking from what I'm thinking, we could hit $4 easily. If I'm, all right, well, right, yeah, well, we're, three, we could, what's the hourly look like? Looks like, wow. Oh boy, that looks like right. That's literally like right in the crosshairs. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, that could bounce. Oh yeah, that's literally gonna rip. My luck at Butch, I bet you my luck it's probably gonna wow, it's probably gonna rip. Hit there, rip here, and then cause that damn, that's holding on. And that's not a bad drop either. And look at how much it went right into a wedge. A channel wedge. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit about the stocks and stuff. So I'm going to wrap it up. A couple of my videos I want to kind of edit and get out there. So hope you enjoyed this. And I'll catch you later. God bless.